Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to prevent someone from seeing your last seen on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device and ensure that you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Tap on the three dots icon located at the top right of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. Within the Settings page, tap on Privacy. Step 5. Next, tap on Last Seen and Online. Step 6. Under the Who Can See My Last Seen section, select My Contacts Accept. Step 7. Choose the contact or contacts that you want to prevent from seeing your last seen. Step 8. Finally, tap on the checkmark to confirm and apply the changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily control who can see your last seen status on WhatsApp and prevent specific contacts from accessing this information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides and tips. Thanks for watching. By selecting the My Contacts Accept option in the privacy settings, you can ensure that specific contacts are unable to see your last seen status on WhatsApp. That's all for today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Until next time, happy messaging.